Hi, it's Josh Martius, and look what we've got here. This is the DLX2131RJ 2-piece kit from Makita. In this kit you get the DHP482 combi drill, the DTD152 impact driver, you get two 3Ah batteries, the RC rapid charger and a Makita stackable case with inlay to keep it in. Now the tools are of course the real stars of the show here, so let's have a quick little look. This is again the DHP482 combi drill. This will feature around the sort of general duty mark for Makita tools. However, packed in here is a motor that can produce up to 62 Newton meters of torque, which puts it just a shade higher than what you'd expect from a drill in this range. With that power, you can drill with bits up to a 38mm diameter into wood and a 13mm diameter into both steel and masonry. So this drill is absolutely perfect for 99% of the jobs on the professional work site. Talking about features though, it's got everything you'd expect from a Makita combi. You've got your forward, you have your reverse, as well as an ultra bright LED job light. It has a 2-speed gearbox, so you've got 1 and 2 there for your sort of low speed, high speed jobs. As a combi drill, it has of course the rotary drill mode, a screwdriving mode, and there is your hammer mode for your masonry drilling. For your screwdriver mode, it has 21 different torque settings. You've got full control over the whole job there. It has again a 13mm nylon keyless chuck to make it nice and easy to switch out your bits, and the all-important belt hook. So it's always there, right by your side if you don't quite need it. The impact driver, the DTD152 impact driver, it's small, it's compact, it's lightweight, you can work with this all day and hardly feel a thing. However, packed in here is a motor that can produce up to 165 Newton meters of torque. This can drive some of the largest screws into the tubs of timber without breaking a sweat. Again, it has forward, it has reverse, it has a job light. It is absolutely perfect accompaniment to your combi drill. If you look at how it's powered, these are the BL1830B batteries, and the B is for the fuel gauge there, okay? So you can see at a glance just how much charge you have left in your batteries. Now if they are to die on site, do not worry, because this comes with the DC18 RC rapid charger from Makita. This charger can charge these batteries from dead to full in only 22 minutes, so you've got pretty much no downtime, and it comes with two, so one can be charging while you're working with the other one, not a problem at all. The case it comes in is part of Makita's Makita range. It features clips on the side and front. You can stack these as high as you like. You can take them with you to the job site and take all your tools with you. On the inside, we do have an inlay. Keep your combi, your impact, your charger and two batteries in it nice, safe and secure. There we go. So that is the DLX2131RJ 2-piece kit from Makita. That is available at its.co.uk. So head over there now and get this in your basket.